All right, picture this. You want to hit the road with your family, but you need a space that's not just comfortable, it's built to make travel easier for everyone, no matter their mobility needs. That's exactly why the 2025 Dune Sport FW36 SS exists. This fifth wheel was designed for families who want genuine accessibility so everyone can enjoy their adventure together. It's all about empowering journeys. Thanks to things like the big slide out for extra space, a rear living area that's perfect for hanging out, and a front kitchen that makes mealtime easy. And honestly, the oversized ADA bathroom is a total game changer for comfort and independence on the move. Walking around the outside, the first thing you notice is how manageable this rig feels for its size. The overall length comes in at 36 feet, so it's big enough for real comfort, but not overwhelming to tow if you've done it before. Exterior height is 13 feet, so you get that roomy feel inside without worrying about most overpasses. There's a solid 32 inches of ground clearance, which means you're not sweating those uneven campground roads or dips in the driveway. The hitch is about 2,205 pounds, enough to keep things stable up front, but not so heavy it's a hassle to hook up. Plus, there's plenty of outside access, storage for all your gear so you're not playing Tetris every time you pack up. Stepping inside, you can really feel the difference. The interior height is a generous 8.5 feet, so even if you're tall, you've got plenty of room to breathe and move around. The flow is super open with theater seating that faces the entertainment center, and the front kitchen up on the upper deck makes it easy to spread out while cooking or hanging out with family. Something we're super excited about and something you're probably not going to find anywhere else. The real highlight is the 60 by 37 roll-in shower and a toilet and sink. No squeezing, no awkward maneuvers, just actual accessibility that makes a huge difference. Storage is smartly tucked everywhere, so whether you're out full time or just out for the weekend, you've got space for everything. This baby really shines for real world use. The GVWR is 14,000 pounds, and you get a payload of 3,205 pounds. So bringing along mobility gear, bikes, or even a small business setup is totally doable. The tandem axles and sturdy wood framing give you a stable tow, and 32 inches of ground clearance mean you're not scraping the bottom on rougher roads. For power, you've got solar panels, a 200 AGM battery bank, a 7,000 watt LP generator, so off grid your living isn't just possible, it's comfortable. And the Braun Mill entry lift, that's the kind of feature that takes all the stress out of getting in and out. You can totally picture rolling up to the campsite and having the whole family hang out in the rear living space. No one left out. For full-time living, that open layout and big ADA bathroom means you're not compromising on comfort or independence. Or maybe you're running a business on wheels. The payload and storage let you bring everything you need. The power systems keep you charged up wherever you park. It's all about making real adventures possible no matter what your day looks like. So yeah, that's the 2025 Dune Sport FW36 SS. It's super capable, easy to tow for its size, and honestly just feels good to be in, especially if you need space that's truly accessible. If you want to check this one out for yourself, reach out to Casey. He put a lot of heart into this one. And thanks for hanging out. We'll see you on the next walkthrough.